Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera class. Welcome back. This one is the last subtopic for the transportation problem and for this syllabus for the business math. Alright. So this method is, we call it stepping stone method. Alright. So here I already make the table based on you already know how to construct this table based to the demand and supply. Alright. So for example, here is the table, right? We assume that the tables is like this based on the question. So now you have to calculate by using stepping stone. But before you calculate stepping stone method, you have to calculate by using north-west corner rules first. This method, north-west corner rules method in stepping stone, stepping stone method, we call it is initials method. Okay, maksudnya as a benchmark after this. Okay, whether the cost is lower or not. Okay, alright. If you get the answer after you are doing the stepping stone method, so the answer is, or the total transportation cost is below than the initial or northwest corner rules, that means your answer is correct. Alright, so let's go. We do the northwest corner rule first. Okay, this one we put 130. Okay, this one finish. This one another 30. That one's finished. And then this one is, okay, this one is 100. Okay, and then this one is 120. Okay, so but the total cost is total transportation cost is this one is 100. 330 times 11 plus 30 times 6 plus 100 times 8 plus 120 times 5. So the answer you will be get 20110. So now the benchmark cost is 2010. Okay, then you have to make stepping stone method. So how to make the stepping stone method? Okay, from this situation for northwest method, you found it, they have two cell is not two cell is not is or don't have any number there. So we have to improve this. So we have to improve. So how to improve? For example, you see the cell is AF is don't have amount. Okay, so we call improve cell. Okay, so the first cell is AF. So how to improve? So I explain first the rules and regulation, for the rules for the stepping stone. When you improve cells, you have to get positive number or zero. When you get a positive number or zero, then your cell is improved. Don't move anymore. Jangan melompat lagi. If your cell, the result is negative, you have to improve by stepping stone. So let's see AF. Okay, whether this cell we have to improve or not. Okay, how to make sure, how to identify whether it is okay or not? You have to calculate the price or charge for this cell. For example, F is 10. So the second rule is where you start, we state that is a positive. Okay, positive. So 10. Okay, 10. The charge is 10. Positive. Okay, you can move, you can move, this one is positive, you can move from 10, you can move to 11, go to 6, and then go to 8, and then close up. Okay, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, so dia close balik. Okay, so the rules is you have to close. Okay, so let's say you ask, Puan, can we go another? Go, let's say go here or go here or go. Can, but you have only lompat, or you have to jump only the cell that have the number. Right? So let's say you want to lompat here, they don't have any cell here or number here, you cannot lompat. Okay? You only lompat, you have to jump only the cell have a number. Let's say you have to lompat here, go here, go here. It's okay, can. Okay? You lompat here, go here, and then you cannot, this one cannot. Right? Because you don't have any number here. You only jump the cell that have a number. Okay. So let's see this one, 10 minus 11. Okay. Positive, negative, kemudian positive, okay, positive 6, and then minus 8. Okay. Sini, 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 dia lompat sini. Okay. So the result is, the result is 10 minus 11 plus 6 minus 8. So the answer is negative 3. So that means this cell you have to improve because the result is 3. Negative 3, but not is 3, is negative 3. If negative, you have to improve. So how to improve? So that means you have to put number here, amount here. Okay. So you want to ask, Puan, which one, what kind of number? Okay. So based on 130, 30, and 100, you have to move the minimum number here. Let's see, and between 130, 30, and 100. So 30 is the minimum. So let's look at how I improve this. Okay, because it's positive, so just add 30 here from here. 30 here. This one negative. So negative. If you add 30 here, see positive, negative, positive, negative. If you put 30 here, this one you have to minus 30. That means 130 minus 30 will be 100. Okay? So this one they have already before the 30, so this one is positive. So you have add for another 30, so will be 60. And then here minus. Before this 100, so will be 70. So the amount is also same. Okay, you see? And then this one is previously 120. So this cell we have the improve. Okay? And then we look at have another cell is move whether it's improve or not. So look at we improve second cell which is AG. So AG 7 plus here positive, negative, positive, negative. Puan boleh ikut sini, boleh? Ikut sini pun boleh. Okey? Mana-mana boleh, patah boleh. Okey. Positif 7, 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 plus 8 minus 5. So check the 7 minus 10 plus 8 minus 5. So the answer is 0. Okay? So if the answer is 0, you did not the process is enough already. Okay? So if the answer positive or negative, you did not don't improve that cell, is enough already. Okay? So when we see already have 0 here, now you have to calculate the transportation cost. Total. So sama juga 100 times 11. Okay, 30 times 10 plus 60 times 6 plus 70 times 8 and plus 120 times 5. So the total is okay, you see? The answer is 2920. So this one is before this we calculate by using no space corner rules. The answer is 3010, but when we do a stepping stone method, the price will be lower, which is 2920. So this is a stepping stone method. For the reason to find the minimum cost, right? So that's all from me for this semester in business math. We already cover all the topic. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.